Hey, welcome to Lumora Stitches, and today we are going to make a crocheted bowl in an easy and simple way. So for this project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a red color yarn. Continue with making a slip knot and chain 25. Okay, so the chain is completed and we'll start working into the second chain from the hook. We will make a single crochet into the second stitch. Then we are going to make 2 half double crochets into the next 2 stitches. Now we will make 2 double crochets into next 2 stitches. Now we are going to make 2 treble crochets into next 2 stitches. You will have 4 loops on your hook. Do not skip a single stitch. Now, we are going to make 2 double crochets into next 2 stitches. Make 2 double crochets into next 2 stitches. And make 2 half double crochets into next 2 stitches. Now we will make 2 slip stitches into the next 2 stitches. Now we are going to make 2 half double crochets into next 2 stitches. Now make 2 double crochets into next 2 stitches. Now make 2 triple crochets into next 2 stitches. There should be 3 loops on the hook. Make 2 double crochets into next 2 stitches. Make 2 half double crochets into next 2 stitches. Now, we are going to make 3 single crochets into a single last stitch of this side. Repeat the full process as shown in the video and complete the opposite side, okay? So, at last, it should look like this. This is the main body of the bow. Now, let's make the lower part of the bow. Make a slip knot and chain 15. Repeat this process on the both sides of the chain. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, and then repeat the process to the end of the chain and do the same on the opposite side, as shown in the text of the video. Lower part of the body half done. Cut the yarn. Both done. Now let's join them together and give it a shape of a bow. I am using a hook to join the both part. You can also use a needle. First, take the bigger part. Keep the neat part back and put the hook from the neat part in, like shown in the video. Then take both of the tails of the yarn. Fix it in the hook like shown in the video and pass it through the hole. Then you pass the hook from the center hole. Pull it very tight. Now take the smaller part and give it a little bit shape and cut the tails of the yarn. Give it this shape. Now take your hook and do the same. Take your hook, pass it through like shown in the video. and do as this. Keep the neat side out. As shown in the video, keep the dirty side at the back out. Make its face lever downwards and start to roll it like this. Let me tie it and do some finishing. Okay, so the bowl is done. I have made another bowl of a different color. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like and subscribe.